Blockchain's opportunity to bridge wealth gaps, yet quality products remain rare today.
A or wallet B, or wallet A has claimed it, but then later send it as a gift to wallet B. It always can be traced and show. Yeah, it's very amazing. I mean, like if it's built on blockchain.
Is a blockchain quote unquote unhackable?
In theory, yes.
In theory.
In theory, yes. Um, and I think it close to 99% that's it's relatively unhackable. I can explain why. So the one of the main theory of especially Bitcoin when it first created, so it's called the how do I think it's called the gaming strategy or something like that. But what does it mean is that it will take the hackers more resources to actually hack and earn the rewards than you don't hack it. So if you want to hack it, meaning that you have to reverse something in the blockchain, and the cost for you to reverse all of that gonna outgain or outperform like the thing that you can collect after that. So it doesn't encourage people to hack it or tamper with the record, because what you may get after you tamper it is way less than the resource that you actually putting in to steal it, like the game theory, for example. So it's like that. So it's not like it's unhackable, but it's take a lot of resource and a lot of consensus, like between all of the computer for you be able to do it. um yes.
So from your point of view, like, do you think cryptocurrency, blockchain, Bitcoin, this kind of stuff, do you think this is going to increase or decrease the gap between the haves and have-nots in the world?
Oh, absolutely. It's gonna reduce the gap. And I think people putting cryptocurrency along with the line like financial inclusion a lot. And I think you will see that trends more and more in such like country like Vietnam. I don't know, like since you're coming back here, did you notice that actually Vietnam has stayed on top of the crypto adoption index globally for above like 3 4 years, something like that, before dropping to like top two and top three for the last 2 years, just right after like Nigeria, Turkey, things like that. So we always in the top three, like crypto, like adoption index, meaning that like people coming from less developed country, of course, like with proper research, it still require proper research and understanding, but they absolutely can see that cryptocurrency is another way to really reduce the gap and close the gap, like with like whatever happening out there. So that's why like when you look at these like crypto adoption index, it's not a surprise that the top 5 top 10, they carry the same character. Like these are like hungry, developing, not well established, economy yet. And there's a trend right there, because people can see that at the end of the horizon, right or wrong, I think cryptocurrency gonna slowly gonna become one of the financial alternative product out there, you want it or not. And I think the proof is that a lot of the investment firm, private equity firm in the US, they already start listing, like Bitcoin ETF, Ethereum ETF as one of the product within their basket right now. So it's happening slowly, either you want it or not. And I'm quite surprised that, like sometimes I have chance to talk to friends from like European, somewhere like very well developed, and they ask me like, okay, Chris, what do you do? And I said, like I have something to do with cryptocurrency, and many of them like, I have no idea what is that all about. And that part is exactly the opportunity of these, like developing country to adopt into these things earlier than, like the well-established country, because before everyone kind of realize how value it is, like the stuff that you can claim, the stuff that you can uh like buy for a lower price right now can worth a lot of money in the future.
Yes, I know in the Seattle area, like 2 or 3 years ago, all the hype was cryptocurrency, like there's all the cryptocurrency startups, like the Web3, all this kind of stuff. But it's kind of died down some, right? It's like the hype, like
Absolutely.
hype's died down. Like 2 or 3 years ago, you thought that everyone gonna have a cryptocurrency thing. Like,
Yep.
why do you think it died down so much so fast?
I think one of the I have to be frank, and I look at like the blockchain industry, not crypto but like blockchain currency, because we have to put it this way. So a lot of the cryptocurrency out there, it's represent a project, it represent a product ideas that you promise to build, like uh so that's why you were able to raise and your token is worth this much of money, right? But I think the biggest challenge of the blockchain industry is that because sometimes there's not enough rules around the market right now, so it's very easy to either win very big or lose a lot. Meaning that if you're lucky or sometimes you're good, you can make a good fortune out of it, and that sometimes doesn't carry a good meaning for building a proper product for the entire industry. And a very small percentage of the entire blockchain industry do not like produce like meaningful and quality product at the moment. So you keep seeing like new token coming out, new ideas coming out, but hardly not enough like quality product out there. So you see here, right, the sandbox